Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are doing another good food recipe. It's the salted caramel cupcakes. To begin with, we need 100 grams of softened salted butter and 100 grams of golden caster sugar. I just had normal caster sugar, so I just used that. And then we are going to use an electric mixer to cream those together. Once they are light and fluffy, we are then adding 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We then need to add in 100 grams of self-raising flour and 1 tablespoon of milk. We will then be dividing the mixture between the cases. You want to make it about a third full, and then like the brownies, we will be adding caramel sauce in the middle and then more cake mixture on top. I would recommend having a cupcake tray instead of a muffin tray like I do. If you do have a muffin tray, it's going to make more like 10 of these rather than 12. But yeah, you just need to sandwich it. I had to kind of awkwardly mix it because I didn't have enough mixture. Those will be going in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. To make our icing, it's 75 grams of soft salted butter, 150 grams of icing sugar, 200 grams of caramel and a pinch of salt. If you want some salt flakes for the top as a decoration as well, please do so. But yeah, just be careful when you're mixing the icing sugar because it goes everywhere. Recommend putting the icing in your bag and then putting it in the fridge for 10-15 minutes before you pipe it, because mine was quite soft still, and it didn't look that great when it was finished. Let me know if you make these and how you get on, and also what you want to make next. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.